Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. For today's video I have some nail art gel liners. These are from the brand Joslove, I believe, or Joslove. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I just woke up so my voice sounds super off and I have a headache. I don't know. But yeah, here's how the packaging looks. Super simple. Here's how it looks in the back. It includes the main ingredients, all of this. And yeah, let's go ahead and check these out. I'm super excited because I do have some gel liners. I just never actually uploaded the video for them. So this is how they come. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic wrapping. So here's how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up from here. Look at how beautiful the bottle designs are, just super pretty. Here's how they look. It includes, I believe, 12 colors. So here we do have their user manual. Here's how it looks. It shows you how to use. Super neat. So here's how the bottles look. These are 10 milliliters bottles. This is the color, like a pastel, beautiful yellow color. It has that flat top, so I'm able to actually use my little swatches to place on top of these because I don't really like that it shows the indicator here. I feel like it's gonna be much more easier if I have my little swatch up here and I'm able to see how that color actually looks. Let's go ahead and see if I can open this. So the consistency of this is super thick right now. It's very, very thick. Here you can see it's actually quite thick consistency. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to work with these. But here's how that looks. It's a gorgeous pastel yellow color. I'm trying to see how thin the liner brush is, if I'm able to be doing, if I'm going to be able to do like very tiny little nail art, because that's actually what I have planned. So here's how the brush looks. It's not super thin, but it's not super thick either. And let's go ahead and see a little bit of the swatch onto my little palette here. So here I'm just gonna do a very tiny line. I try to see if I can make thin lines. I feel like I can. Shouldn't have a problem with this. There's my little tiny mushroom, sort of. But yeah, that's how they look. I honestly really like them. They're super thin. I'm able to actually, you know, make thin lines like I want. Somebody just dropped something off on my doorstep. I'm gonna have to go get that real quick. I think it's the mailman. But yeah, I really like the colors. They let me choose stuff that I wanted, and these included like pastel colors. So I really wanted this one. Let me check. What other colors should we check? Let's check this teal one here, which I kind of feel like it has very similar tones. These both are like teal mint colors, so I want to see the difference between both of them. So here's color 107. And let's go ahead and see the other color. And here's the color 106. Okay, so this one's like more of a blue, not really a teal. It's more like a baby blue. Super pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these on my little tabs here, and then I will be back shortly to show you guys the swatches, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started on today's set. So these nails, I do have this tutorial up. These are some polygel nails. I did these with polygel as well. Yeah, here's how they look. I really love these. So I'm super glad I'm gonna be wearing these for maybe like 2 weeks or so, because I do have another polygel set that I do have to do. So here are all the swatches side by side. Let me know which color is your favorite. I definitely loved working with each and every single color. They're super pigmented and just great quality. Highly recommend them. I also do have a discount code that you guys are able to use. These are sold on Amazon, so make sure you guys use the code PRINAIL20 to save you guys 20% off this set. Let's go ahead and get started on today's set. I'm going to be starting off with the color Sugar Magnolia by Nail Addict / Nail Reserve. And I'm using these XL Coffin nail tips. And I'm going to go ahead and be using that color as my base color for each and every single nail. So I'm going to go in with a very thin coat, then cure this for 30 seconds in my lamp. So here's how the nails look after their first coat. Really love that. Now we're gonna go in with the second coat, and here's how they look after. Such a gorgeous nude tone, and I really loved it. Next, we're gonna go in with our liner in the color 103. I'm gonna start by drawing a line down the middle to indicate the center of our smile line. Then from the center, we're gonna go upwards towards the right corner. Then from the left corner, we're gonna go towards the center of our smile line. Once we have our smile line, I'm gonna go in and use eyeliner. And we're just going to go ahead and just fill that in. I do recommend doing a very thin coats because these are super pigmented and very thick. Even if the layer is a little bit too thick, it will wrinkle and it will not cure. So make sure you get very thin layers and take your time doing that. Here's how it looks, and cure this for 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to be going in with the color 102. This is a beautiful, gorgeous hot pink color. We're going to go ahead and draw a line straight down the middle to indicate the center. Then from the center up to the right corner, we're going to head and create our smile line. Then from the left towards the center, we're going to round out our smile line. Next, we're just going to go ahead and fill that in. And then once we have that filled in, then we're going to go ahead and then cure this for 30 seconds. I did go ahead and just continue doing some smiling for the rest of the nail, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy watching the process. Again, don't forget to use my discount code PRINAIL20 to save 20% off these gel liners. So here's how all of our French tips now look. I did go ahead and do just one thin coat on each and every single nail, or tried my best to do when a very thin coat, but it was a little harder because these gels are very thick. So I recommend placing them in like a very warm water, or just rubbing them with your hands to kind of just loosen them up. But we're going to go ahead and start on the thumb. We're going to be using this gorgeous color here. I believe it's the color 104. It's this gorgeous violet purple. And we're just going to go ahead and draw some very random spots here and there. We're going to go ahead and be creating some cheetah print nails. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next nail. And onto the next nail, we're going to go ahead and use the color 101. It's this gorgeous fiery red color. And again, just some random dots here and there. And yeah, that's what I'm going to go ahead and be doing for each and every single nail. I did try my best to use each and every single liner. I did use almost all of them, besides the numbers, I believe 11 and 12, which are the gold and silver colors. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how gorgeous these colors worked together, and I definitely really loved how all of these turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this design so far, and I also hope you guys are enjoying today's video.
In a miserable way.
So here's how all of the nails look after. I really love that color combination that I created for each and every single nail. I think they definitely all go very well together. Let me know what you guys think. Now next we're going to go ahead and just kind of create that little cheetah print a little bit better. So next we're going to go ahead and be going in with this black liner from another brand that I had lying around. Using this liner, we're going to go ahead and just draw some lines around the little spots we created to kind of get that cheetah print effect. I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that to each and every single nail. Then cure this for 30 seconds in my lamp.
Where you are really in control of things, that is to say, in which the future is almost completely predictable.
So here's how all of the nails look with that cheetah print look now. They look really gorgeous, and I really loved how these turned out so far. Now next we're going to go ahead and top coat these and add some bling. So for my top coat, I'm going to be using my Model 1's top coat. I do not recommend adding any bling or any rhinestones with top coat. Otherwise, it probably will pop off and they will not stick to the nail. I'm going to be working with these gorgeous rhinestones. I did get these off of a gel polish can. The other one I got it off of a polish gel, I believe. So there's very few of them, so I did go ahead and just sort them out by color just to see which colors I had to work with. And to place these onto the nail, I did use this pencil, and trust me, I hated this pencil so much. I lost my diamond tool a while back, so just working with this thing was honestly horrible. They kept just falling off. They wouldn't stick to that thing, and it was just a hassle picking them up in general. But here you guys can see I'm just applying my top coat, and then I'm going in and just applying my rhinestones. Once I have my rhinestones placed, I then go ahead and cure this. Here again, I'm applying some top coat, then applying my rhinestones. And yeah, this is just a quick process. Didn't really go over it step by step because, like I said, the rhinestone kept falling, so it was just a huge hassle to even record. But yeah, overall I really liked these rhinestones. They're really gorgeous. So if you guys know where I can get some more of these, please let me know. Leave me some links down below in the comment section because I really loved these rhinestones. So here's how they all look after. I wanted to go ahead and add some caviar beads, but at the end of the day I said maybe not. I think they look really good like this, so I went ahead and just left them. And just went ahead and applied these onto my nail, and look how gorgeous these turned out. Really pretty, and I think the rhinestones definitely bring out the nails a lot more, and overall I just really had so much fun creating this set. Again, thank you guys all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, if you guys have any suggestions for any video you guys want in particular, definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.